Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. And today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone. So I've just have a new haircut. So if you guys like it, so basically comment in the below. So today basically it is very great day. Basically, I just have spent a lot of time with my friends, and we went to one church yesterday. So over there we got lot of peoples, and we got to know about like Christianity, like how it's born and how it is spreading, and so got to know about like Jesus, who is very prominent in the Christianity. And so yeah, it was a very great experience to visit there. And so if I talk about like coming here and what is my agenda today of today's video, basically I want to describe my whole day, like how I spent basically, because that is also a great part. And so I want to describe about that because today I just didn't have some sort of time. So let's let's move on. If I'm a beginner, so basically a beginner in like in reading. So what I do is like initially I try to read at least for 5 minutes, then start it 10 minutes, and then 15, 20, and taking some sort of break between that, because that is how we can learn more. Because that all things I've learned from the books. And so initially my day started from 5 o'clock in the morning, and from that I just take 10 to 15 minutes of walk daily. And after that I just come up and just read, because that is how our brain opens. If we try to read after waking up, so we cannot able to grasp that much and if we are doing some sort of physical activity, so then after we are reading, so we can able to get more. And after that basically reading 1 to 2 hours, I do have a like some sort of things such as home activities, and like and searching some sort of content on YouTube which can help me. Because if you are practicing, if you're doing practicing from one thing, you will get bored. But I don't want to do it, so I just after that I try to watch videos in English and just able to grasp the native speakers what they want to do. And so after that I just watch one series which is very famous in all the YouTube, such as like Modern Family, where they all talk in English, and they are basically native English speakers. They are so after watching 1 to 2 hours episodes are also helpful. So today is very productive day, as we can see. And so along with that I do also do intraday trading. So today that is closed. Because of that I got some sort of time, and so I just bought some sort of clothes from the mall. And and the evening basically I just try to basically plan for my upcoming videos, which I can use in the video platform to basically get some sort of reach, because that is also a important part. If you are not getting reach, so you need to focus on that as well. So I'm going to take some sort of bold decision in upcoming days as well. And so while on YouTube you will see a lot of things which I have done differently from others. And I'm seeing a lot of basically educators and tutors who teach people, and just want to grab that as well, because they are successful because they have done some sort of unique thing which is correlated and relatable to every person. So that is what I'm going to implement in my videos as well. So you will see a lot of exciting videos in upcoming days. So on this video, that is it. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to watch my previous videos. So bye bye, have a good day.